You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this classic dance from India in the temples of Tamil Nadu, pronounced as Bharatanatyam. Ba-ra-ta-na-ti-am. The stress falls a little bit on the na syllable. How to pronounce Bharatanatyam in English? The pronunciation that you can use is as Bharatanatyam, Bharatanatyam. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.